Malaking bulas ako. Bata pa lang ako. Nung nasa grade school pa nga lang ako, tinutokso na akong taba. Actually, yung mga pinsan ko, kinalakhan na nila yung tawag nila sa aking tabs. Nung high school, ni hindi ako magkaroon ng crush or di ko ma-share kung sino yung crush ko kasi one time, nadulas ako kung sino yung crush ko, pinagtripan kami sa marriage booth. Kitang-kita ko yung yamot nung crush ko sa akin. Sabay sabing, kasya ba tayo? Nung college, di na ako nag-asam magjowa. Aral na lang yung inatupag ko. Akala ko pag nag-adult na ako, mawawala na yun kasi expected mo, mature yung mga tao eh. Pero first day of work, sabi agad ng boss ko, wow, heavyweight. Aaminin ko, may mga times na gusto ko na lang talagang bumigay. Dark thoughts, kumbaga. Now, nasa road to fitness ako. Pero pang ilang beses ko na to eh. Hindi ko pa din maiwasan yung depression. Kasi parang, for the lack of better description, ang sama ng ibang tao. Ako si Jenny, and I think body shaming is the source of my depression. My love, may mga tao kasing nagsasabi na yung depression is all in your head. Yan, masyado ka lang nagpapadala sa isipan mo. My love, sila pa ba mag-a-adjust? Diba? Sila pa ba mag-a-adjust if there is a reason for them to be stressed out? If there's a reason for them to feel bad for themselves, to feel sad, to feel like they are being bullied, sila pa ba yung kailangan mag-adjust? Yung way of thinking pa rin ba nila ang kailangan mag-adjust? Can't we just see na there are just some people na, I don't know, hindi natin dapat tinotolerate? Kasi hindi mo man pigilan yung isang tao or hindi ka man gumatong sa sinasabi niya. Kung narinig mo mula sa kanya yung panlalait, narinig mo mula sa kanya yung remark na alam mo namang makakapanakit ng tao and you laugh, that's even worse. Kasi ibig sabihin you find it funny when someone else's feelings are being hurt. My love, this has been going on for so long. Kasi even sa napapanood natin, 'di ba, yung mga medyo may size, mga plus size na napapanood natin on TV, they are being ridiculed on TV as part of comedy. O 'di ba, ginagawa siyang komedya eh. It's okay kapag sila mismo yung nandadaot sa mga sarili nila eh. But if they are allowing others doing it to them and everybody's laughing about it and at it, parang it's becoming okay, a norm for us to do that. Tapos sabihin mo, joke lang naman, di naman makatanggap ng joke to. Ang OA naman ito. Again, sila pa ba yung kailangan mag-adjust? Hindi ba tayo pinalaki na dapat maging sensitive sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao if we know that our words can cut, if our words can hurt people? We shouldn't even be saying it. Lalong-lalo na yung mga remarks na ganyan, ang taba mo, lumalaki ka, lumulobo ka. What are you trying to say? Saan mo gustong humantong yung ganyang klaseng remark? Do you think that person doesn't know? Na lumalaki siya, na he gained weight, na medyo nasa plus size na siya? Don't you think that person is not alarmed by it? Kasi my love, I don't know kung wala bang salamin sa inyo, but they can see. They know. But you body shaming them in public or in a public domain won't help. Kasi may mga tao mang katulad nito ni Jenny na nafo-force na mag-road to fitness because of you guys, because they don't want to feel that kind of oppression dahil sa size nila, that kind of bullying dahil plus size sila, gusto nilang maranasan yung alam mo yun, matignan with love, matignan with adoration, kasi sa buong buhay nila, ang natanggap lang nila ay panlalait, ang tanging puna at praise lang na natanggap nila ay ang tapa mo. Napo-force nyo man sila, that doesn't make them feel better. That's what makes the process hard. Kasi they are doing it to prove other people wrong. They are doing it because they don't want to feel that negative feeling anymore. Kaya siya nagiging hindi sustainable. Kasi ginagawa nila yun forcibly. Kasi ginagawa nila yun ng may sama yung loob. Because this society has allowed people to say that without repercussions. Kasi itong society natin ngayon, lalong-lalo na yung netizens, were allowed without any repercussions na magsabi ng mga hateful words against people, especially when it comes to their body. Wala na talagang tao ngayon na nakaka-appreciate na lang talaga nung mismong pagkatao. They really have to have a comment with the body. Sometimes kapag nagbabasa ka, even yung with that of a praise, like, ang chubby mo pero cute ka, still. Ba't di mo na lang sinabi ang cute niya? Ba't kailangan mo pambanggitin yung unang part? Meron naman bawi, sinabihan ko naman siya ng cute. Yes, ba't sinabihan mo muna siya ng chubby? My love, the reason why some people cannot take that kind of a comment, kasi some do have a condition. 2, some people are struggling. Yan, struggling to lose weight already. Kumbaga, they already have a battle within them kasi they love to eat They love food. It's just that hindi ganun kabilis mag-process yung katawan nila, hindi agad nababurn. Kaya hindi talaga sila agad-agad pumapayat. And 3, they don't feel confident anymore. And what you're doing to them is making them even less confident about themselves. My love, itong dilemma na to, itong mga salitang to is not something that's new to us. A lot of people, a lot of advocates already sa social media ay telling you not to do that to other people kasi iba yung nagiging dating niya to some people. Iba yung nagiging epekto niya to some people. It depresses them. Nagkakaroon sila ng dark thoughts because of it, because feeling nila they are not being appreciated for who they are. People are just concerned with how they look, and that's it. Pero hindi ko alam. Siguro may pagkukulang din sa atin. If we hear somebody comment something like that to a person, try defending that person for a change. Stop laughing at the joke. Stop making them a part of the joke or the joke. Again, hindi natin alam yung pinagdadaanan nila to lose weight, to be fit, to fit in, to belong. Mababa na yung self-esteem nila enough. Not everyone is comfortable with a comment like that. Huwag na natin pababain pa. Simple lang naman to, my love, kung tutuusin eh. Bigyan lang natin ng konting common sense yung mga sarili natin. Let's be sensitive to someone else's feelings other than our own. And maybe, just maybe, we can be a bit more human than usual. Claro? Claro.